This leading edge section is critical. We must ensure the composite layering is precise.
We need this stage for the starboard section by 1400. Ensure the climate controls remain stable.
Understood. The AGV is proceeding to the designated bay now. Composite materials are stored in climate-controlled rooms for B-2 Spirit production.
We have green across the board. The symmetry is perfect.
Acknowledged. We are clear to proceed.
This harness run is showing a conflict with the bulkhead connector.
All right, I'm adjusting the routing parameters now.
Okay, that clears the tolerance. We're good to proceed with that change.
We need to optimize the sequence for Module 4.
The current projection shows a bottleneck.
If we reroute the subassembly path,
Secure fabrication zones activated. All systems nominal. Fabrication sequence commencing.
Final inspection passed. We are good to proceed with the fuselage integration. All right, easy on the hydraulics. Watch the starboard side clearance. Copy that, copy that. Coming in slow, we're clear.
confirming the tolerances on the starboard wing section. The alignment is perfect, and you can proceed with the next sequence.
Crane, you are clear for descent.
Roger that. Initiating final approach.
Reroute power to the main coupling assembly. We need to secure that panel before the next cycle.
Scan complete on Section 4. The layering looks structurally sound.
Confirmed. Durability metrics are nominal.
Panel aligned. Begin sequence 3 on the torque wrench.
Sequence 3 complete. All fasteners green. Alignment looks good on the starboard side. We have clearance at 4.2 centimeters.
Confirmed. Proceed with the automated sequence and engage the torque wrench.
The schematics confirm the alignment. You are good to secure the bladder.
Copy. We're moving it into position now.
This harness won't align with the current configuration. Okay. I'll adjust the brackets, see if that gives us enough clearance. Easy now. Down another 2 inches. Hold right there. Alignment is perfect. Set the clamps.
Ensure the green bundle is correctly seated in channel 4.
Copy that. The schematic confirms the routing.
That clamp is secure. Check the tension on the main bundle.
Reading nominal. Let's move to the next section.
Steady. We have minimal clearance on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Lowering at 1 centimeter per minute.
The stress analysis on the forward mounts looks nominal. Cross-reference with the titanium reinforcement specs.
Okay, bring her down another 2 centimeters. Watch the clearance on the starboard side. 2 centimeters, reading green.
Diagnostics are nominal. Locking the module now.
FMS alignment sequence engaged. Confirming new trajectory.
Torque is good on port 2. Confirmed. All systems nominal.
Check this reading here. I think we have a hairline fracture.
The laser scan confirms a subsurface anomaly at L7.
Acknowledged. I'm logging it now.
Okay, bring it down 5 millimeters. Steady, steady. All right, we have alignment.
Torque sequence initiated on panel 7.